Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are here in a series of technical indicator. So already in our previous video we have discussed about 20 EMA, 20 exponential moving average, MACD moving average convergence divergence, and VWAP volume weighted average price. So today we are going to discuss one another key indicator that is mostly used for day trading, and most of trader use this for day trading. So how we are going to use it, how people use it, in how many ways we can use it, each and everything we are going to discuss in detail in this video. And if you are new to this channel, so do watch out previous video as well. So those are the basics about technical indicator used in trading world for day trading. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. So the indicator that we are going to talk about, that is RSI, Relative Strength Index. How we are going to use it, how you can use it to generate consistent return, and how effective it is. Each and everything will be discussed in this video. So do watch out the video till last. So as you can see that I mostly use TradingView for demonstration, for showing example. So what you have to do, you just have to open TradingView, or else if you use some other broker, so this indicator is totally free. You don't have to pay a single penny for this indicator. So each and every broker, whichever broker you are using, will be providing this indicator. This is a inbuilt indicator, RSI. So now what we are going to do, you just have to go to indicator section. So till now, I believe you know how to use TradingView, and if not, in future we are going to make a detailed video how to use TradingView effectively for your daily and weekly and monthly analysis. So today we are going to discuss about RSI. So just go to indicator section, just click on that, and once you're going to click on that, so here you can see my script, technicals, financials, community script. So just go to technicals, and there you can see indicators. You just have to write RSI. So once you're going to write RSI, so automatically on the top search it will showcase relative strength index. So you just have to click on that, and like other indicator, it will get plotted below your price chart. And if you want to save this in your best indicator, so you can just mark this, the star sign that you're able to see, you can mark this and it will add to your favorite indicator. And now you can see next time you don't have to write RSI, you can just go to favorites and it will be showing your script name, relative strength index, and you can just click on that and automatically it will apply it on your price chart. So you don't have to search again and again. So whichever indicator you want to mark your favorite, you can do that. So now if you can see that RSI, this is RSI. Now you can see this is RSI. The violet line is RSI line, and the yellow line that you are able to see, that is moving average line. So we will be changing some kind of settings before using it, and after that I will tell you how to utilize it and how people do utilize it. So you just have to go to RSI, just go to settings section, and after that you are able to see some settings here. These are inbuilt or default setting that you can see. So we don't require this moving average. So what we are going to do, the yellow tick, the yellow checkbox RSI based MA moving average. So we are just going to uncheck this. After that, what we are going to do, we are just going to increase width of this RSI line. So we'll be increasing width, and if you want to change color of your favorite choice, you can do that also. So meanwhile I can just mark it blue because it will be more visible. So now these are the default setting. This is 50 line, 50, and on the top it is showing you 70 and 30. So these are the default settings calculations of RSI. So what we are going to do, we are just going to make this 60, and here we are going to make it 40. Okay. So once you're done with this, just click OK. And you can also do that. You can also save this setting as default. If you want to save this setting as your niche setting, you can also save this by clicking save default, and this will save your automatically it will save to your default setting. Now just click OK. And now this is how it will look like once you're going to plot it below your price chart. So this is RSI, this is price, and this is bank nifty that you can see. The scripted is bank nifty, because as I told you earlier, generally people like to prefer trade in bank nifty and nifty 50. So now how multiple ways we can use RSI. Generally people use RSI first for support and resistance. The 40 the 40 line that you're able to see, people generally use this as a support, and the 60 line that you are able to see, this is used as a resistance. So what you can do, whenever it reaches to 40, you can just see if this green candle is taking red candle high, you can look for entry, because here the bear, the sellers were in power, were in command. Sorry, but as you can see now, this red candle high is broken by this next candle, next bull candle, green candle. Though this is not so strong, but still you can see if you have taken trade here, so your stop will be below this red candle low, one tick below this red candle low, and your profit will be much bigger than your taken risk. So this is one way people use this as a support, and people use this as a resistance, like this 60. So once it start taking resistance at 60 level, so you can just look for a short sell. So you can just see once this small green candle low is taken by this red candle, so you can look for entry, and you can just put your stop loss, potential stop loss, one tick above this previous red candle high. If you are not able to see, I'll make it little bit more visible. Now you can see if here this red candle, once this green doji, this is an indecision candle, if this low is taken by this red candle, you can look for entry at this point, and just keep your stop loss one tick above this previous red candle high. So always try to see that don't lose more than one candle. Just make this habit in trading. Don't lose more than one candle. Okay. So this is how people use. Either they like to sell at 60 level. This is 60 level. Or either they like to buy at 40 level after seeing price action. Another way the people generally use this is for divergence. Like you can see that price is making higher and higher and higher. But here if we see RSI line, it is not able to make a new high, like this high, like this high. You can see this high is higher than this, but this high is not so high than this. If you continue this is higher than this, but this high is not higher than this and this high, and then you can see there's a sudden drop in the price. So this is called divergence. That price is able to make higher high, but the RSI line is not able to make that much high compared to its previous high. And after that there's a fall. Once price comes below 60 zone, 60 line, so it falls immediately. So another way you can use for it, divergence. Like you can see, I will show you with a trend line. Like you are able to see that price is making a higher high. If you can see like this, the high, but here if we can see, it is showing divergence. So this is another way you can use for seeing divergence. Like you can see that price is able to make higher high, but in RSI we are not able to see the strength. So once it comes below 60 and it falls immediately till 40 level. So these are the two ways. Another way people use this for the momentum. So what people do, whenever RSI line crosses this 60 zone and start taking support over 60, so people look for long entry, because this is a sign of momentum because over 60 people generally like to buy, and below 40, once it take resistance below 40, people like to sell. So another way you can use this for selling, once RSI line crosses below 40, you can look for a short sell, and once price crosses above 60 and start taking support at 60 level, so you can look for long entry. So this is the another way people like to use for the momentum. And the last, people like to use this indicator also for overbought and oversold zone. So sorry, like people also use this for overbought and oversold price. So whenever price moves across 60 and moves in trajectory of 70 to 80, so this is considered as a overbought zone. So people like to sell here, like this is, you can see 70, if it has just touched 70 and people start shorting. Generally people like to short sell. This is overvalued. The price is highly overvalued. So people like to book their profit. So you can also like to book your profit, or you can also like for a reverse trade here. You can look for short entries. So same case, when it is below 20 or near 20, it is oversold zone. So people like, whenever the RSI line reaches near 20, as you can see, it is near 20. So people like to buy because this is oversold zone. The price have sold very low, so people like to either reverse their position or like to create new position whenever the RSI line crosses below 20 or near 20. So these are the different ways that you can use RSI. You can use RSI for support and resistance. You can use RSI for divergence. You can use RSI for momentum whenever it crosses 60 and starting support. And you can also use RSI for overbought and oversold prices zones. So this is, you can use RSI. These are the different 4 ways that generally people like to use RSI. And I also suggest you, as I told you in other earlier videos also, only try to keep one indicator at a time on your chart and try to use it until unless you are familiar with all the possibility of that indicator, how it is used effectively. So do not try to jump from one indicator. Another rule, do not try to lose more than one bar. Always try to lose, if you are going to lose also, try to lose not more than one. Definitely we cannot stop losing. The people who say that this is 100% sure strategy, that 99% 100% success rate, so that is not going to be true, because we don't know who is going to buy or who is going to sell on the next tick. So always try to put your stop loss only one tick above or below the candle which you are entering, or previous candle, or the previous candle. Try to keep your loss minimum, because if you're going to lose 5 to 10 times also, when you that is okay if you're going to lose 5 to 10 times, but one time you will cover your losses also and profit if you're controlling your losses. So do not lose much. Always try to enter at a particular location. So this is how people use RSI, and I hope you like the content. So if you have not understood, do watch video once or twice so that you can understood, and then you can use this strategy. And as I told you earlier also, take 25 to 30 trade and then see the result. Don't judge strategy just based on 1 or 2 trades. Like you are taking 1 or 2 trades and your stop loss got hit, so it doesn't mean that it is not working. Might be you are not doing it right. So try to take 25 to 30 trade, a sample size. After that see how much trades are going in your favor, and which is the why, if you are losing, which trade are going to be the loser one and why you are losing. And after that, optimize your strategy. Try to build it and optimize it so that it can give you more profitable trades. Always try to not lose more than one candle. Just make this habit, make this your rule. Try not to lose more than one candle, because it's only about not losing more than one candle. If you're not going to lose more than one candle, you're going to this be your habit. So automatically your losing candle be 1, and if you're going to win, you can see you're winning 3 to 5 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, 5 candle, 18 candle. So this is how you can maintain your discipline. Try to learn everyday new things, which mistakes you're making, and try to solve those mistakes. And this is how you can increase your probability of getting a better trader day by day. So just work on yourself. I hope you like the video. So do share it with your colleagues, friend, whosoever want to start their career. So thanks for watching the video. And next time we are going to share one another important indicator. So we'll be coming with next video day after tomorrow. Thank you.